Jennifer Beals is set for a key recurring role opposite Crystal Reed and Maria Sten on Swamp Thing, the upcoming streaming drama series based on the DC characters created by Wein and Bernie Wrightson. The project, which hails from James Wans Atomic Monster in association with Warner Bros. Television, is set to premiere in 2019 on the DC Universe digital subscription service. Written by Mark Verheiden and Gary Dauberman, Swamp Thing follows Abby Arcane Reed as she investigates what seems to be a deadly swamp-borne virus in a small town in Louisiana, but soon discovers that the swamp holds mystical and terrifying secrets. When unexplainable and chilling horrors emerge from the murky marsh, no one is safe. Beals will play Sheriff Lucilia Cable.
Tough as nails and pragmatic, Sheriff Cable's fierce devotion to her son, Matt, is rivaled only by her sworn duty to serve and protect the town of Murray. As the community she has dedicated her life to defending is beset by strange forces, Lucilia must double down in her efforts to safeguard everyone she holds dear. Wan, Verheiden, Dauberman, Michael Clear and Wiseman are executive producers alongside Len Wiseman, who is set to direct. Beals was last seen as Christina Hart, the female lead in NBC's Taken, and recurring as Margot on Amazon's The Last Tycoon. She recently joined the cast of After, the feature adaptation of Anna Todd's series of 5 best-selling YA novels. Beals is repped by APA, and Felker Tuchek Suttleson Abramson.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.